What up, y'all? I'm Bokeh Bob, and today we're going to be checking out the INFI75. We're going to unbox it, see how it sounds. This is a pre-built 75% that is gasket mounted, has a tri-mode PCB, multiple layers of foam, double-shot PBT keycaps, an aluminum weight, and a knob, and, last but not least, an LED screen. Another budget 75% loaded with features. Before we get started, I'd like to make it clear that this keyboard was sent out to me for review from Velocifire Tech. However, all opinions are my own and from my experience using the keyboard. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe, the most important part of the video. Let's jump into it. The INFI75 is a great option in the 75% budget segment. It is for sure a foam board. I have yet to test it without foam, so I can't really comment on the way it sounds without foam, but as you just heard in the sound test, it's foamy for sure. However, with the included features for right around $100, I would say it is a good buy, especially if you're specifically looking at it. Now, if you're in the market just for a budget 75%, I would say there are a lot of options at the moment, since this seems to be a crowded segment within the pre-built market. All I would say here is make sure you are looking for the features you specifically want, because there are a lot of options, and I think you will be happy. Just always remember to stay within your budget. I wouldn't say the INFI75 is a bad option at all. If you like the aesthetics, which are different, and how it sounds, I would say go ahead and buy it. The factory loop stabs are great, and mine sounded great right out of the box. The wireless worked flawlessly, and I have had zero issues with the board. Overall, I would say it's Bokeh Bob approved. What other pre-built 75%, besides the High 75, ND 75, and the INFI75, which are fairly in stock, do you think are great options in this form factor? Let me know in the comments below. As always, check out some of my content here. Make sure to like and subscribe, and most importantly, have a good rest of your week. Bokeh Bob out.